Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Shano. Shano with a track called We Lock the Shift. We Lock the Shift. So we see Shano and Marco got it. We see Marco released this song. Shano reply back. We not hear nothing from Marco yet. Marco, we are dealing. Marco. We are dealing. So there now, we're gonna jump in on one. I'm not sure if this is a diss track to anybody, but if it's just a normal Badman track. But either way, we're gonna forward and find out what the G say. Big up SOR boss. Big up the production team behind one. Let's get it. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video.
Yes, sir, all of them. Bad like who? Bad them. No time. Oh, stop. I rock it. They don't know who, man. Who, man. Yes, sir. They don't know who, man. One river. They don't know. Superman, they have to save you, so tell me who's gonna.
Superman, they have to save you. Pussy! Superman, they have to save you. So who are gonna save you? Eh? Tell me what gonna save you. Bamba world. Tell me what gonna save you.
One river, them no know. Superman, they have to save you, so tell me who's gonna. Missy Susan a scream, Missy two man. Try to keep fence peace, must see new Obama.
See Susan a scream. So basically, we see girl on the lane a scream while two man a try to take the fence with a speed like lightning. Alright. Peace, must see Obama.
Missy Susan a scream, Missy two man. Try to keep fence peace, must see new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool stand my head boss.
Walk over the beat, look at the fool. Just pitch the man. Look at this pitch. Take off my glasses, man. Come in, not trouble, you know. Just pitch the man. Walk over the beat. Just walk over him. Who's that man? No, kid. Buckler, what you say? Stammer like myself, yeah.
Try to keep fence peace, must see new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool stand my head boss. Tombstone, making news, nyama. Yeah, no.
Head boss, making news, nyama. Head boss, yeah, making news, cause remember, you know.
Who's on a scream, Missy two man. Try to keep fence peace, must see new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool stand my head boss. Tombstone, making news, nyama. You no know, man, who man. Why a girl there, she there, you so a troop. And a girl, you so lie, you tell me you is just a food, nyama. Head boss, Tombstone, making news, nyama. You no know, man, who man. Why a girl there, she there, you so a troop. And a girl, you so lie, you tell me you is just a food, nyama.
Why a girl there, you don't know, she there, you so a troop. And a girl, oh, you so lie, you tell me say you're a food, nyama. Yo, that flow you bad, you fuck. That flow you bad. Marco, I don't think you know who you're up against today, now, bro. And if you see it takes a long for reply, I'm not saying anything. This is so far. This is not a diss song to me. Still, this is not a diss song to me. But I'm just speaking in general, you know. So far, at the longest we see Marco takes a long for reply. So obviously, he might do more work. I hope. All right. So
head boss, Tombstone, making news, nyama. You no know, man, who man. Why a girl there, she there, you so a troop. And a girl, you so lie, you tell me you is just a food, nyama. Book a flight, zap Solana. NY, too cold and left it blue, bama.
Book a flight, zap Solana. NY, Solana, New York.
Book a flight, zap Solana. NY, too cold and left it blue, bama. Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool, them at when man the kill.
So him say, yo, New York too hot. Book a next, New York too cold. Book a next flight, drop back a yard, wait cool, and
I too cold and left it blue, bama. Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool, them at when man the killers them up and shake it too, mama. Ooh.
Wait, two them at. Okay. So you got New York, it's very cold. You fouled back at Jamaica. It's too hot.
Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool, them at. When me and the killers, them a pass, shake it, ooh mama, ooh mama, ooh mama, ooh mama, glue, glamour, look it too good, how the dude on a us.
Bombo clap.
Yes, sir, all bad like who, bad them.
Bombo clap.
Not
Here we floor.
Oh, stop.
Here we floor.
I rock it. Them no know who man.
Them no know.
Who man, yes, sir. Them no know who man. One river, them no know. Superman a day you fi see if you say tell me who's gonna. Missy Susan scream, Missy two man. Try to keep fence peace, must see new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool stammer. Head boss, tombstone, making news nama. You no know, man a who man. Why a girl let she there you suck a troop and a girl you so lie you tell me you is just a food nama. Book a flight, zap soul and a NY, too cold and left it blue bama. Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool, them at. When me and the killers, them a pass, shake it, ooh mama, ooh mama, ooh mama, ooh mama, glue, glamour, look it too good, how the dude on a hustle.
Yo, how not gonna come and put no respect on the G name, dog? Like, who no know who shine now be? Eh? How not gonna come and put no respect on the bumbuckler G name, dog? Eh? That more ask on the dog.
Ooh mama, glue, glamour, look it too good, how the dude on a hustle, two glamour, I fi make it soon, mama, I know we alone a chop all the color lumana. We like his shit, we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks. When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a visit. You see?
Man say when you know some work, I'm more sick, him sick to blood clot. I know say the weed that and the brain for the food for the brain.
We like his shit, we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks. When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a visit. You see the tea that, I know that, need a this fit, pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just he coffee sit.
You see the tea that, I know that, need a this safe. So you must tell you, say, yo, if my father come pick up a girl, and it's not in a tea that, or a safe. You know my father now? Him bima. Remember say, no, let's stop there.
See the tea that, I know that, need a this fit, pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just he coffee sit. Kill a fi who, me da fi say. When me a boss it up, no need the media fi say. You next in the line for that, so pick a ticket, trigger clicking butterfly, not the one Lara live for cricket.
Who next in the line for that? Wait.
You next in the line for that, so pick a ticket, trigger clicking butterfly, not the one Lara live for cricket. Killers and pull up and on a skip it, shot a flyer, hit a lick him. Every killer wicked.
When the killers them pull up, brother, you know, no skip it. When them go so, and come knock on your door, just know say as a mate.
You next in the line for that, so pick a ticket, trigger clicking butterfly, not the one Lara live for cricket. Killers and pull up and on a skip it, shot a flyer, hit a lick him. Every killer wicked. People gun them boy, then now live it, pull up now my nigga civic, now for yaks, I give it.
People gun them pussy they have. People gun them man, so them now have no lift it. Them can't lift it, I don't feel them one. No, my ask question, I make a phone call, you that put up and them can both that. No, hey boy, see my shot, oh, I'm here boy. I gun bag. Remember say I gun bag, I just lucky like gun, you know. Remember say I bag.
People gun them boy, then now live it, pull up now my nigga civic, now for yaks, I give it, kill a girl up on the front, and now for yaks, me still a dig it. Up now my nigga civic, now for yaks, I give it, kill a girl up on the front, and now for yaks, me still a dig it.
Kill a girl up on the front, you know, for ask me still a dig it. So I'm tell you, say, the girl up on the front, one of the two things. Either she share the eyes and the ears, for who pull up on the ends, or she informer. So we have to kill her. No evidence, no case, no evidence.
Now my nigga civic, now for yaks, I give it, kill a girl up on the front, and now for yaks, me still a dig it. Be my spin it, all the cops are come, still a skid it. See?
Be my spin it, all the cops. Hey, me and Shayna actually have the same car, you know. I'm not sure what year Shayna car is, but me and Shayna have the same bima, the same color. I just my rims them different from female rims. I the same car, the two of we have Shayna. Big up yourself. You got good choice. You got good choice in cars, my friend. Good choice. 3 series I have mine a 320D. So me don't know exactly when I walk, but mine a 320D still. But yeah.
Killers enough, we da sell, girl up him. You can't run in, even if you are running. Son about that thing, we shot a cash, we have a bring. Sting a brandish in a hand, and couple on the thing.
You think a brandish is on the hand, brother? You have a couple on the zinc. Come on to your rifle side of rifle. You hear me say?
Son about that thing, we shot a cash, we have a bring sting, a brandish in a hand, and couple on the zinc. We like his shit, we are making money, yeah, we got the bricks. When me no smoke, yeah, easy, that me sick. We da fi kick, brain need a visit. You see the teeter, I know that need a this pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just he can fi sit.
Watch it pumps just once, you walk one. Hey, Nakisha that. Nakisha, I wish you, how fuck you that you are going on? I don't want either that. Eh? I don't want Civic. How fuck you that? Watch it pumps, you know. Watch it pumps.
Teeter, I know that need a this pick up your girl, watch it pumps, just he can fi sit.
Move.
Killer fi who? Me da fi say. When me a boss it up, no need the media fi say. Superman a day you fi see if you say tell me who's gonna. Missy Susan a scream, Missy two man try to keep fence peace, pussy new Obama. Walk over the beat, look how the fool stammer. Head boss, tombstone, making news nema. You no know, man a who man a. Why a girl let she there you suck a troop and a girl you so lie you tell me you is just a food nema. Book a flight, up stool and a NY too cool and left it blue bama. Book a flight, back a yard, wait cool them at. When man the killers them a par shake it, who mama, who mama, who mama, who mama, glue glamour, look it too good. How the dude and a hustle as 2 grams, I fi make it soon mama. I know we alone a chop all the color loom and
I'll stop entertainment. Iraqi music. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Shayna Flow just unmatched, bro. Like Shayna have so much flows and styles, and the G just fucking talented, bro. The G just talented, dog. Like Shayna, I know that this is not a Clash song, or
yes sir. Alright,
me a talk, man. I want to, man. I know that this is not a Clash song with Inna the War or nothing like that, but this song, yeah, bad. Shayna, you're bad no bumbo clap, me G. Flow bad, flow sick, my fam. Flow sick like flow. Yeah. Yo, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Yeah, do it. That's so hard, boss. Big up yourself. Why? Anyway, this time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_words_game. See that way, sir? See that way my head? Jamaica_words_game. Follow me on Instagram, see me. You don't know. You see me? Alright, so this time I'm gonna leave the one still. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.